Happy Misdemeanor Monday. My name is Benjamin Waldman, criminal defense attorney at King Law Offices, and I'm starting a quick series on common questions I get from clients when going to court. Number one, what should I wear? Well, I typically suggest business casual. That's typically going to be more than enough. You don't need a suit and a tie like the attorney wears, but you should look presentable. You should not wear a hat or any headwear into the courtroom unless it's for religious purposes. You should not wear a graphic t-shirt. You shouldn't have ripped jeans. You should have closed-toe shoes. So for a guy, a tucked-in polo, a nice pair of jeans, and sneakers is perfectly fine. For women, a dress, a nice pair of pants, and a blouse is also perfectly fine. Don't stress too much about what to wear, but if you have more questions about this, what else to expect in court, give King Law a call today. Shoot a comment on this video about what you want to hear more about. Help us help you.